Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Do you want to add a diamond shape to your next project? In this 5 minutes video, you will learn the absolutely easiest way to crochet this shape. The benefit of a diamond is that you can form other geometric figures, and I use this to make my next project, and this is a snapshot, and I will be teaching it very soon. Okay, let's start. We are going to use medium-sized yarn, which is number 4, and a crochet hook of 6.5 millimeters, although the yarn recommends a 5 millimeter one, but it would be too dense, so we'd rather have it loose. This is a square, but with the size pushover. All the sides are the same measurement, and for example, we are going to start knitting something with 3 inches, which is 7.5 centimeters. Same here, 3 inches, 3 inches here, and 3 inches here. And the center, just to make sure, is going to be also 3 inches. Okay, we are going to start with this easy project, and remember to give me a like, that will help me a lot, and also subscribe so you will get my next videos. So we have everything, the yarn, the 6.5 crochet hook, and we are going to start with 11 chains. Okay, so I'm here finishing with 11 chains. We are going to start with row number 1, and I'm going to look for the little bellies, and here it is. Pull the yarn and pass through. This is my first single crochet, and I'm going to continue until I get 10 single crochets. Okay, this is my last single crochet. I'm going to pull and then pull through. I'm going to make a chain, and I'm going to turn the work and start row number 2. Now in the row number 2, I'm going to skip this first space, and I'm going to use the second space to do my first single crochet. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is my last space, so I'm going to do another one in the same space to be my number 10. Chain. Now this is row number 3. In the first space, we do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. And we'll repeat rows number 2 and 3 to form the shape. So this is row number 4, and this is the thing. We chain 1, and this is the side with the string. That side we will always skip the first space and start knitting on the second space to decline. The only thing is, you see, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and we will always be missing one more space, so we make 2 single crochets into the same space at the end, and that way we will be basically pushing over the sides. And to remember, in the side of the string we will always skip one space, and here we will do double stitch. So chain 1 and turn the work, and on the first space we do a single crochet, and we'll continue making single crochets until we have 10. So row number 3 has no problem. We just continue doing 10 single crochets because there is enough room, because we started on the first space. So here it is, 9 and 10, and then chain 1. So now we are going to start row number 6, and the row number 6 we will skip the first space. We'll start single crochet in the second space, and we will continue repeating rows number 2 and 3. until all the sides measure the same. And here we are. I'm going to measure all the sides just to make sure that we have a perfect diamond. So here we have 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters on all the sides. Okay, this is great. We are basically having 10 rows, which makes sense because remember that we started with 10 single crochets and the single crochet doesn't have too much height. So I'm going to put it over my drawing and it fits perfectly. Yes, great. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Please give me a like and subscribe. That way you will get the announcement when I launch this my next project is this beautiful bag made with diamonds and it's going to be very easy. YouTube has me as Anna for Lana, so when you see this little cat, just click it and you will find all my videos. I hope to see you next time in my channel, Anna Lana. Thank you.